Get strong.
All right. How's everybody doing? Listen, before we get started, I just want to apologize because I was supposed to do this review a while ago, and I've been getting a lot of people asking me and a lot of comments in the last one about when are you going to do a review? When are you going to do a review? I've been extremely busy. I had to move. I didn't have the GOZONE set up. It was the summertime. I usually use it in the winter time because I live in Canada. It's cold, but I have been using it for about a month. I wanted to make sure that I give you a proper review. So the GOZONE walking pad from Walmart. Let's review it again, and I'll let you know what I think if you should continue to buy this product. Let's go. So guys, I'm going to leave the link in the description so you can see my past video. I give you all the specs, all the weight requirements, which are still the same. And amazingly, the price is still the same at $249. This is a very sturdy walking pad. I mean, it goes from 1 to 6 miles per hour adjustable speed. That's 10 kilometers an hour. You can adjust the speed with the remote. It has a solid steel frame construction and it holds up to 265 pounds weight capacity. One thing I still love about this machine, you can easily stand it up and put it away for storage. And guys, like I said, check out the link below and check out my previous video for all the specs and measurements. And that will answer all your questions about this machine. But as far as what I'm going to tell you now about the machine, about 10 to 12 months later, I find this machine still very durable. I mean, I walk on it, I start slow. Sometimes I even do a light jog, which is at the number 6. It gives you about 10 kilometers an hour. So for me, I just find that for the price, it's just worth it. The belt did adjust, like I said earlier, and what I noticed, what I did is I just added a little bit of oil on each side of the belt, which comes with the package. And if you don't have the oil, you can always put a little bit of WD-40 or some kind of oil lubricant. But yeah, I weigh about 220. So for me, I find this very sturdy. Like I said, it's a solid steel frame construction and it's built very well. I got no issues with bolts falling off, or I don't find the motor loud at all. So yeah, I find it great. One more thing, guys, I forgot to mention that when the belt did shift, it does come with an Allen key. So there's a hole at the bottom of the walking pad that you can adjust the pad. So mine was shifting to the left. I just stuck the Allen key into the right side of the walking pad and just tightened it, and that fixed the problem very easily. All right, guys, there you have it. So nice and short, quick review. Any other questions, leave it in the comments. I'll be quick to answer those. And I apologize if you hear a little squeaking. I do have a new lovebird and likes to squawk and make a lot of noise. So if you hear any squeaking in the background, I do not have anybody hostage. It is my lovebird. Anyways, guys, after this, I do still recommend this product. This product to me is, for the price, it's a no-brainer. It's sturdy, it's durable, it lasts long, it lasts me through that move, and yeah, I'm gonna continue to use it. I recommend this product, and I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. I gotta check back what I gave it before, but I'm gonna give it about a 9 out of 10 because the only thing I think is missing is it doesn't come with a handle. And for some people, they like that, but at the end of the day, if you have a high desk, you don't need the handle, right? And it does come with some screws on the side, so I'm not sure if there is an additional accessory that comes with it, but if it is, I am going to link the link in the description. Okay, so guys, once again, thumbs up to this review, to this product, and I still recommend it. So go out and grab it. Maybe it's on sale for Boxing Day. Guys, enjoy. Hope you enjoy this video. Click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Talk to you soon.